if you're a good marketer, if you're a good business, you're a company, you're coming out with the product, so you should know what the customer feel about, what the customer needs, what the customer, how the customer react for your product and all that. What is it? Whether he needs more important, whether he does not need it, right, like that. What value? You have to create that value. Understand? So you see in the minds of and in the memories of the customer how you are going to convey, what message you are going to, what information you are going to, what benefits you are going to provide them, so that the customer will feel that no, this product is very much essential for me. Is that clear? That is. Now, when we talk about the technique of improving customer perceived value, various methods are there, various steps are there that we will work out and we will see to it that means, right, how best we can make our customer satisfaction and all that. Now, the foremost thing it comes creating value. Is that clear? When we talk about creating value, what is creating value? How do we will create the value for our product? How the customer will start liking for our product? Why the customer will feel that this is relevant one, this product is good for him? Is that clear? That. So the foremost thing it comes product design. When you are doing R&D, when you are coming with the innovative, right, with any of the product and all that, at that time only you need to think about it. What are the customer taste, size, preference, habit? Is that clear? As per that you have to come according. See, now I give you the example of product design. When you talk about what will be the size, what will be the shape, I'll give you the example. Earlier when the soap used to come, it was in a rectangle shape, right? Now you see it's in oval shape. The color has changed, the fragrance has changed, right? Now they have added this, right, something jelly type of this all thing else, right, like that, just to attract, just to convey the customers and all that. That is product. Market research and research. That is, you need to survey, you need to study, you need to go in much more deep about the perception, about the psychological, about the behavior, attitude, lifestyle, standard of living of the customer and all about it. Okay. Product mix, product line. What do you mean by product mix? Product mix is nothing but that is a category of in a same, that is when we talk about HUL, surf, ring, weed, these all are the product mix. You are getting my point, right, like that. That is whatever related, that is either HUL is having means, right, detergent powder, detergent means bar, he is having means into toothpaste also, he is having into bath soap also, he is into various other, that is overall, that is any of the company, any of the organization is there, that is n number of average, we are running with 600 product, that is product mix, all type of category product, whatever they are, so they are promotion and they are setting up proper pricing and whatever else is there, promotion, distribution, various other things, that finally the aim, the target is there, how the customer will be satisfied. Is that clear? That is product line, product packaging. Now the next thing comes, see, earlier also people, they love to eat snacks, they love to eat courses, various other things. Why do all of a sudden today the business has been generated? Balaji, Bingo, right, like that, Lays, Ruffles, Kurkure, these all things. The packaging itself it attracts. When most of the mother they takes the children towards the school or when cover that. How you make the attractive in that way. Product labeling. Made in India, made in Japan, made in China. This all. You should know this product belongs from which country. Local, global, national, international. What exactly labeling should be done? This product is consist of what? So proper labeling. It creates a value. It creates right like that. Oh, why do the Patanjali has increased all of the sudden? Because Swadeshi, Indian goods, right? That is branding decision. You need to create brand image. You need to set image in the minds, memories of the customer. That is anything. For example, Bajaj, Hamara Bajaj, right? What? See, when it calls that Buland Bharat ki Buland technique, Hamara Bajaj, Rahul Bajaj has given a unique selling process, right? Like that, creating that is Kajaria tie, ye desh ki mitti ka bana hua tie. Got it? That is branding decision. Whatever decision you are coming out, how you will means right, raise, how you will promote that product. That is with that, obviously you can set a high price and you can get maximum of profit generate. Product positioning. Finally, how you will see marketing is what? Awareness, right? Creating demand, this whole thing is now creating and demand is something and positioning is finally it should reach out to the hands of the customer. You're getting my point? That is, and then value capture. How you will capture, right? Value, that is pricing. Basically, whether you talk about in Indian, we are learned, we educated, whatever else, right, like that, but we give importance for the pricing factor. No doubt that not all of us, but most of them, they are giving for the priority for the pricing. So at a time, the businessman, they should think about it, what price do they set, because it creates a image. It really matters, right? It affects that is pricing factor. Product. What type of your product is? Local, global, international, FMCG, consumer durable. That you need to. And what price you will set? Customer. Who will going to buy? Who will going to consume? That is Johnson & Johnson baby powder, Mummy Pad. Who will give importance to this? Those who are mothers. They care for their child, right? No rashes and dissolve. They will buy. You are getting my points, right? Like that. That we need to understand the psychological and we have to act according to that. We have to come with that relevant strategy, marketing strategy, so that pricing and that price definitely they will have, because they will not compromise for their children and this one thing else. Okay, that is. Now some of the medicines are there. The pharma company, some of that is various cosmetics are there. They are having various high prices are there. Some branded product are there. They are having much more prices. But people prefer to buy. People prefer to get that. Why? Because they somewhere else they have the hope. Somewhere else they believe that by using this, by consuming this, definitely the problem will solve. That is competition. Now pricing you have to keep as per the competitor way. What your rival keeps, according to that you need to come out of with relevant pricing. And other factor, various other things are there that is related with that you have now pricing method. The next, cost oriented method. What price you will set so that in each and every aspect overall it has to be covered when you set a price for your product. for per unit and all that. Cost plus. When we talk about cost plus, that is means right, a product is being covering, that is means right, entrepreneur is rent, right, manufacturing cost, various other things, and definitely entrepreneur has given right bad risks and various other things, that also. So cost plus saving. What is actually the expenses and how much benefit should be there, income should come after selling this product. So definitely all of us, we come for the profit only. No one else is coming for the charity. Is that clear? That is so cost. Markup means maximum of sales depend profit. That is markup. Break even, that is into various other cost factor, manufacturing, distribution, this all thing is right. After giving and all, what the price is being, right? You get profit. That is now marginal. Marginal means how much your capacity is there. What is the margin, right? And what the customer pocket size is there. As per that you have to set. As per that you have to set. That is now cost of ownership price. What do you mean by cost of ownership price? Tell me. Say. Cost of ownership price.
Start.
Now see, cost of ownership pricing. Cost of ownership pricing is nothing but that is a product consists of manufacturing cost. After suppose when we talk about means if a customer, for example you buy, you purchase. For what purpose you will buy? That should be of your use. Yes or no? Isn't it or not? Right, like that. So it should be your need, your necessity, and you should be able to buy also. Ability, right? That should be your demand. Not just because it is available in the market. Right, like that. But when a customer point of view, we need to think about, because now we are talking about a customer per se. Right, like that. So cost of ownership. If I am a customer, why do I will buy such a goods? Only that is my basic needs, that I need it, that's why I am buying and I have to pay the price. What other than, for example, consumer durable, refrigerator, television, air conditioner, automobile industries we talk about, that is car. After that, if for example I am saying AC and refrigerator. For AC and refrigerator, 5 stars, 7 stars, these all stars nowadays it has come in most of the countries. What that star indicates? That is 5-year warranty, 7 years warranty. That is, if anything happens, the company representative will come and he will do repair, maintenance. He will bear, right? The company will bear the cost of that. You are getting my point? And what addition? That is after the purchase, after the sale also the company will provide you sales and services. So for that, if you are paying the cost, chanda hai. Because the company is being connected for you for 5 years and 7 years, as long the warranty period is there. If suppose if certain things in between in that happens, so the company will replace a new product also. You are getting it? Right, like that. That is the cost of ownership price. That is, if as a customer, if I am buying something, I am paying extra see to it that where you are in perfect competition, where large number of buyers and sellers are there. Are you in a monopoly that you are only a price maker, right, like that? That is, or you are into which type of market? That you need to identify. Differentiate. That is, you will keep the price high also low according to the customer perception, according to the customer needs, right? According to the customer, that is means, right, and demand and all that. Or see, if suppose you think that the customer needed, you will raise the price. If you think that now the market situation is going down, the customer does not have, so you will lower down the prices. Getting my point? Now pricing strategy. Skimming pricing. What skimming pricing? Generally, any of the company organization, they increase the price. Why do they increase? What are the need? What are the purpose? What are the objective behind that? That is R&D, because they invest much more money before coming out with a new product, innovative invention. Yes or no? Right, like that. That's why they charge high, because they want to recover. Already they did R&D. They must have done promotion, right? For that a huge investment. For example, I'll say that when Pepsi has come in the market, so only a small bottle was for 11 rupees at that time, right, like that. So why? Because the Pepsi has did a huge promotion with celebrities, with sports personalities, right, like that. So it has endorsed lot of money in advertising, in promotion strategies and various other things, right, like that. So how do they will recover? Obviously means by skimming pricing. Okay, that is. Now penetration pricing is what? Penetration means, suppose now lots of competitors are there. Too many competitors are there, and the time situation, inflation is going on, various other. So you will reduce the price for time being, adjustment. For example, the best example I'll give that during pandemic. Now, last 2 years you will see that much more company has not increased the prices of their product and all that. Maybe they had reduced the weight, maybe they had reduced the size, maybe they had reduced, right, like that, quantity or this all thing else, but the price is same. See, 10 rupees bar of green bar, if you will buy, the size has reduced, but the price is same. Parle-G, today also you will get for 2 rupees, today also you will get for 5 rupees, but the quantity is being reduced. You are getting it, right, like that. That is probe pricing. Probe is what? You are creating an image in the mind, you are setting in the memory's mind, and you are creating such a situation that you are making necessity for the customer, and customer will feel that this is something for us, this is something more demanded, right? Such an atmosphere you are creating that it tends to high price, right? And you take the situation of that and you earn profit. Trial pricing. Suppose when initially you are entering into any of the market, definitely you will keep low, you will give concession, you will give discount, you will reduce, right, prices with rest of the other and all that. Predatory. That is how the market situation, how the competitor reacts, as per that you will come. Follow up, leader pricing. Now, what a competitor, for example, I'll say that of Ariel, Surf Excel, what the price was there, similar something means, right, it was of Surf Excel. Whatever the price of wheel was there, similar it was for the Tide. Whatever for wheel, similar it was means, right, the other Jyoti Laboratories and this all, right, like that. That, you're getting my points. So